Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. We just got this one ready. It's a 1997 Honda Accord. These little babies run forever, or at least several 100,000 miles. This one's just turned over 200,000. We had the fender and the front bumper repainted. They were losing a little bit of clear coat. Other than that, body's in about average shape for the year. No major dents left or anything like that. It's a pretty burgundy. Of course, the black wheels. It's got decent tread on the tires. Inside, we got power windows, power mirrors, power locks. The seats, good shape. A little bit of wear, but not ripped or torn. I'll go ahead and start it up. Just over 200,000 miles. As you can see, there's no warning lights. Got an aftermarket stereo with Bluetooth there. Your heat and air, both of which work great. Got a brand new center shift column that's leather wrapped. Back is clean. Large trunk space. Again, clean interior. It's really not in bad shape at all for the year. Drives out great. Again, great tire tread. Put a brand new Bug Sheild on the front. Oops, let me pop the hood. So if you're dealing with those South Arkansas love bugs, that'll save your hood. See if I can find the handle here. It's got a brand new battery in it. Decently clean underneath the hood. Put brand new valve cover gaskets on it when we got it in. So you won't have any oil leaks there. If you're looking for just a little car to get back and forth to work or to get some great gas mileage without spending too much money, check this one out. Love to get you approved on it, starting as low as $1,000 down on this one. All you gotta do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.